Hi, welcome again. So let's continue building the website. Last time we added this mark as solution button, which will mark the comment as a solution. So currently the problem is every user can see this button mark as solution, but we need to allow only the user who created this thread to mark it as solution. So let's go to comment list dot blade. So if you go to top, you can see this solution button. So you might not see this code, I just made changes. So you will see this form which will submit. So only thing you have to do is you will not see this, I think. Yeah, so only thing you need to do is just wrap this inside auth check if user is authenticated. So inside that if condition, just check for if authenticated user ID is equals to threads user ID. So if these two matches, then we should show this mark as solution form. So also last time I tried using Ajax with API route. With API route you need to make another authentication, but with web route like you do in normal case, you can do using Ajax. So if you don't understand, just see this. You can comment out this form which is responsible for marking it as solution, and instead of this form you can just add this button with all these and the text. So the main thing here is on clicking this button I am calling this function mark as solution. So this function accepts two parameter, thread ID and comment ID or solution ID. So if you have updated code from GitHub, you should see this function down below here. So generally this function is accepting the thread ID for which we are marking our solution. So solution ID would be comment ID. So just simple, make the post request to this route mark as solution with this parameter solution ID, thread ID, and one additional thing you need to do is just add this CSRF token field. So this is the key, and CSRF token field will be this. Okay, so Laravel has this function which will generate the token for us. So everything else will be same. So if you go to thread controller, you should see that function down below, mark as solution. So this is doing simple thing, getting the key and marking it as solution. So here what you can do is if response is JSON, sorry, I think request is Ajax. We should just listen for Ajax request. So if the request is Ajax, will not return this, will not return back with this message. Instead what we'll do is we'll return JSON response with status success. Alright, so we can log here data in our comment list dot blade. So let's go and let's test this out. Open up console and we should see all the data. So I'll mark this another main comment as solution. So now we get this object which got the message status success and marked as solution. So we want to make this instant, like if I mark this, just show the solution. So in order to do that, after the callback we need to target this field and change the text to solution. So I'll give it ID mark it solution, and we'll target that. Actually we can pass the element as well. So element, so on click we can pass extra parameter called this. Okay, so it will have this instance. So I think we don't need to do that, this id thing. And what we can do is element dot text equals to solution. Let's see if that works. Refresh it. We need to make it mark as solution. So in order to do that, I'll just change here in thread. So in thread I'll make the solution field null. Alright, so let's test this out. So mark it as solution and it instantly changed to solution. Yeah, so that's perfect. Also we can do what we can do is we can hide other fields, but on refresh we'll get the exact same result.